Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hazeq bin Misuan. My student ID is 2019220634 and I'm from J4 EM110 So today I'm going to present about Lab 1 training for MEM360. For this lab, we have been given a product design and we must complete the technical report by using the turning process. So to produce this product, there are several machining process that need to be done. For my presentation, I will use step 5, which is the rough groove machining process. So step 5 is rough groove process because grooving is a turning process that cut grooves or form a certain depth on an external part or faces of the part. So first thing first, before starting the machining process, there are several things that we need to determine first. Number 1 is the holder. So I choose parting turning tool holder / external grooving tool holder because this tool is a suitable tool to hold the insert tungsten carbide for the external grooving process. Number 2 is the cutting tool. The cutting tool that I choose is insert tungsten carbide for parting / grooving. This insert tungsten carbide will be mounted in a tool holder and it can be used to cut external or internal grooves. It is because this cutting tool shape is designed to do the grooving process. For application, there are no information about grooving process in the appendix. The same case goes for boring bar type and size. Next, we need to determine the LUT machine description to start the turning process. For the turning process, the cutting material is the carbide. And then we will use speeds and fades calculator in the website to calculate cutting speed, workpiece diameter, machine max, cutting edge, spindle speed, chip load and feed rate. So firstly, we choose the unit of measure millimeter. The operation is the turning, and then the material is the aluminium. The cutter material is carbide, and it will give result cutting speed is 305 meter per minute. And then for the grooving process, the workpiece diameter is 22 mm because when we do the grooving process, the workpiece will be cut until its diameter is 22 mm. And then we click on the calculate and it will give result for spindle speed 4410 rpm, machine max 6000, cutting edge is 1, chip load is 0.673 mm per ref, feed rate is 2971. And then for the estimated time, the length of cut is 40 mm. This is because 50 minus 22 and divide by 2, and then 14 mm, which is the length, will divide by 2971 mm per minute, which is the feed rate. And finally, the estimated time is 0.0047. Next, I will draw the graphic illustration for rough grooving process.